Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of the Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Durgabai Deshmukh. She was born on 15th of July 1909 at Rajamundry, Madras Presidency in British India. She was involved in the Indian freedom movement from a very young age of 12. She quit school to protest the imposition of English as a medium of education. In 1930, she was imprisoned because of her participation in the salt satyagraha in Madras, but from prison she studied English and completed her MA from Andhra University. In 1942, she obtained law degree from Madras University and started practicing as an advocate in Madras High Court. In 1936, she established Andhra Mahila Sabha to coach young Telugu girls in Madras for their matriculation exam conducted by the Banaras Hindu University. She was the founder and editor of a Telugu journal called Andhra Mahila. She was the president of Blind Relief Association, and in that capacity, she has set up a school, hostel and engineering workshop for blind. She was Constituent Assembly member from Madras constituency. She was the only woman in the panel of chairmen in Constituent Assembly. She spoke on various issues in the Constituent Assembly. Like, initially, she proposed Hindustani as a national language of India, but subsequently, due to anti-Hindu agitation in South India, she argued against adopting Hindi as national language. She also spoke on various provisions relating to appointment of judges and regarding the independence of judiciary. She was strongly against the Devdasi practice. Her major contribution is regarding the reduction of the age of the member of Rajya Sabha. Now, this is a major contribution from Durgabai Deshmukh, 18th of May 1949. The object of this is to lower the age to 30 from 35 for a seat in the Council of States, that is Rajya Sabha. She had moved this and defended this particular resolution, and ultimately the initial age, which was kept at 35 years, was reduced to 30 years. So it is because of the efforts of Durgabai Deshmukh, the eligibility age to become a member of Rajya Sabha came to 30 years. We are thankful for her contribution in making the Constitution of India. Thank you.